Bench vices are an integral part of any workstation, whether it is fixed or mobile. The primary function of any vise is to hold an object safely and securely so that it can be worked on. Bench vices make work such as sanding, finishing, chipping, sewing, and welding easier by freeing the operator's hand to perform the needed task. Their simplicity and versatility means users of any skill level or experience can benefit from their use. For the purpose of this article, we will be focusing on the metal working vise, often referred to as engineers, mechanics, combination, or tradesman vices. Metal working vices are designed to be fastened to a sturdy table via eyelets located at the sides and back of the vise. The dynamic jaw, explained later, is designed to hang over the edge of the blade. Although vices are primarily designed to hold a workpiece horizontally, the overhanging front jaw does permit the holding of objects vertically. The jaw closest to the operator that has the handle protruding through it. It is referred to as the dynamic jaw, as it is the jaw that moves open and closed. The dynamic jaw applies or relieves clamping pressure. The static jaw is typically the heavier of the two jaws and, as its name implies, remains stationary during operation. The static jaw is usually fastened to the table or bench, either directly or indirectly via an optional connected swivel base. The component that rotates and moves the dynamic jaw open or closed. The lead screw passes through the nut and is attached to the handle. The body of the main screw is threaded. Acme is the most common thread used as its shape is easy to machine and assemble. A poorly manufactured lead screw will compromise the hold and security of any vise. Is located at the front of the vise. It acts as the lever that turns the lead screw, which in turn moves the dynamic jaw. The handle is engineered to match the maximum clamping power the vise can handle. A properly designed and manufactured handle will bend when too much force is applied. This acts as a safety indicator preventing over-torquing. Adding a cheater bar to the handle is never recommended as personal safety will become highly compromised. Located at the top of each, the static and dynamic jaw. The jaws essentially provide the contact points between vise and workpiece. The jaws are usually made from hardened steel and machined is a serrated pattern. The pattern provides the bite needed to hold the workpiece. To prevent marring of the workpiece, soft jaws that install over the jaws are available as add-ons. Premium quality vices have replaceable jaws. Casting is the most common and cost-effective manufacturing process. It involves pouring hot liquid metal into molds. Once poured into the mold, the liquid steel is allowed to cool. After cooling and hardening, the molds are removed, leaving a finished shape. This process is used to manufacture the static and dynamic jaws. Although cost-effective, there are several drawbacks to this production method, including a rough final surface finish and the possibility of impure casting and thus a weaker, compromised part. Thanks for watching. Until next time.